Okay, now that we learned how to make a for loop and a while loop as well, I like to finish finally the pygame setup. Okay, so let me check something before. Yeah, everything is alright. So now I like to comment this out. Control slash. Oh, that was not what I was trying to do. So okay, control slash, just like that. Save it, and yeah, as we are initializing the pygame with this method pygame.init, we need a way of finally collapsing the window or literally killing the process. So we say pygame.quit, just like that. So this is the way we quit the process. Okay, and then I like to place a for loop over here. So we are gonna say for event, because we are gonna be asking for events in pygame dot event dot get. So what this line does, the pygame dot event dot get, this is a function, and that is over here, and it says this will get all the messages and remove them from the queue. If a type or sequence of types is given, only those messages will be removed from the queue and returned. So since we are not giving any argument to this function, it will gives us all the events that are occurring at this time, all the list that events. So if we are going to be asking if the type of that event, so event.type is equal to pygame dot quit. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me get rid of this terminal. I thought it was exit. Yeah, and clear. Sorry for that. If the type of the event that we are iterating right now is equal to pygame.quit, then we are going to be finally turning the active function into false. And just like that, we are going to be finally leaving this for loop, this while loop, and then we are going to be able to start executing some commands down here, so anything else that you would like to program down here, and then come here with to this command and finally quit the process. Okay, I hope it was kind of easier to understand. Okay, let's save it and see what we get in return. So okay, yeah, just like that, we have the same window, but this time these buttons are functional, actually, finally. Okay, so I can just press here in the X and we are collapsing the window finally. Okay, and that is the most basic setup for a pygame. I just wanted to finally show you how a complete setup works after reviewing this for loop and the while loop and just the most basic concepts before using them here. Yeah, so that's it.